This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by kthomas. Bring your vision to this craftsman-style home filled with character, charm, and endless possibilities. Situated on 2 lots, this spacious property offers 5 bedrooms, 2 baths, over 2,500 square feet, plus a workshop and garage. Coffered ceilings, a grand staircase, French doors, built-ins, a fireplace and generous room sizes are features that simply can't be recreated. If you're dreaming of a thoughtful restoration, this estate property offers the perfect canvas. A rare opportunity at a value price. For more information, review the details below or contact kthomas at 940-692-8120.